Lung cancer is one of the most prominent cancers in the world. Lung cancer makes up 14% of all cancers. It is also the leading killing cancer in both women and men. 80 to 90% of all lung cancers start with smoking cigarettes. As you smoke, many cancerous chemicals enter your body. In a cigarette there are about 43 known carcinogens, which are cancer-causing chemicals. These carcinogens enter the body and mainly accumulate in the lung. In the lung, there are millions of cells. As the chemicals accumulate in the lung, the chemicals then move into the cell. In the cell, there are many organelles, but the main organelle that affects cancer is the nucleus. The nucleus holds all of the cell's DNA. As stated before, the nucleus holds the cell's DNA. DNA is the instructions for the cell. DNA codes for proteins, and proteins create the cell. Without DNA, a cell wouldn't be able to function. The strands on the DNA are made of nitrogenous bases. Different sequences of the strands code for different proteins. As the chemicals move into the nucleus, they are in contact with the DNA. Many of the chemicals damage the DNA. The cell can fix a little bit of damage, but the damage done by the chemicals is major. The cell will try to fix it but fail. This is called a mutation. The strands on the DNA are mixed up, and the code that the DNA was supposed to send is wrong. This creates a cancer cell. As a cancer cell, there are two types of genes that need to be mutated. The one that starts cell division, and the one that ends cell division. The gene that starts cell division is proto-oncogenes, and the gene that ends cell division is called tumor suppressors. When these genes have been mutated, the cell becomes a cancerous cell. As the cancer cell grows, it will multiply and create more damaged cells. A healthy cell is able to control its multiplication due to signals telling it when to divide. But for a cancer cell, it can override these signals due to DNA mutation, and divide when it wants to. The cancer cell will divide, and over time will create a tumor in the organ. The tumor will disturb the organ, causing dysfunctions. Later on, cancer will spread and move to other parts of the body. Cancer will take over the body and later cause the body to die. Lung cancer can dramatically affect one's life, and people should know how to live lifestyles that prevent it, and to lead lives free of the pain and suffering of cancer. No one should be subjected to bear the hardships and pains of cancer.